Many thanks for making time to speak to us, Thomas. Let's start with the issue that South Africa is one of the countries that save the least, at least on the continent. It is in the, globally, it is in the top 10. Wouldn't one argue that before we talk investment, we need to actually intensify the saving drive in South Africa?
Yeah, I think it's a great question. However, a lot of people that do save are earning interest rates which are less than inflation. And that's obviously not to their benefit. So our real focus is around creating wealth, which means investing in high-performing, low-cost investments that actually grow your money over time.
Right. Before we came on, we're going on about some ETFs here that you are looking at. Just give me a sense of where you would channel some of these proceeds and the revenues portfolio-wise.
So, it's really what we're trying to achieve is simplifying investment. And so we give our members access to just 2 investment products. Money market fund, Allan Gray Money Market Fund, and Satrix 40. And both of these were specifically chosen because of their performance, their credibility, and their low cost. So that's where members can stash their cash, if you will, as easy as sort of through the app, just being able to say how much they want to contribute, and there's no minimum. How often they can want to contribute.
No minimum here.
There's no minimum at all. So that means somebody can get sort of 7.8%, which Allan Gray returned over the last year, for as little as 10 Rand a month.
Right. I love where you started that particular answer, simplifying everything. And part of the reason why some say the 2007-2008 crisis happened in the US, well, a global financial crisis, is because the rest of us hardly understand the Wall Street jargon and their lingo. Wouldn't this eat into some of the fees that the portfolio managers actually feed off, should I say?
Without a doubt. And it really came from me as an engineer walking into the financial services sector and seeing all of this complexity and saying it doesn't have to be like this. So our objective is to really provide the lowest cost access to investments. And as such, obviously we can't get away from management fees. But the 2 funds we've chosen have, some of the lowest fee structures on the market. So less than 30 cents for every 100 Rand invested is what they charge as management fees. We have a membership fee, but actually we give our members the first 6 months free. And for every additional friend that they invite to join, they get an additional 6 months.
And how much is this membership fee?
5 Rand a month.
The other thing that's very striking here is you can withdraw or transfer your money anytime without penalty. This is very striking. Why? Because then I would ask you, how much cash do you have in the bank? Because what if there was a stampede? Do you have any capital controls? Do you have any buffers? How much do you have in the bank to actually be able to cash out at any one point to any customer?
So we manage the funds with responsibility. So we do ensure that we do have capital in order to withdraw the funds, but we also let members know that it will take a few days sometimes for those funds to arrive in your bank account. But because we are effectively an administrator, right, we don't take the risk and take the deposits ourselves. We effectively collect contributions from members and transfer them to Allan Gray, on their platform in terms of investment there, as well as Satrix 40 via Easy Equities. So members can at any time get access to their own funds, which are in those respective vehicles. All that we do is effectively handle the instruction to withdraw and collect those funds. So even if there were a stampede, for example, nobody's funds will be at threat. It's simply a question of putting those instructions into effect and allowing the monies to flow through to the individual's account.
How's the reception thus far, the update?
It's been tremendous. We launched last week Monday, and already we have over 150 users, and that's purely from organic growth, word of mouth. Because we're really trying to create a community of people, the sort of peer-to-peer referral mechanism has been very effective. So through the app, it's as simple as inviting your friends through WhatsApp by sharing your promo code, and then the invited person can just register with that promo code. And everything is done through the app. You can upload your documents, you take a selfie, you take a photograph of your ID book. So there's no barrier to accessing Franc.
Thomas, I love where this is going, and my obvious question here is the cybersecurity. We've seen some magnanimous hacks last year train stations, airports. And if this kind of information is being uploaded on a phone, walk me through the back end.
We've ensured that we hit the highest security standards. So we're actually leveraging Google's cloud-based storage, which encrypts everything and duplicates.
Is this end-to-end?
Yes. So our systems are effectively just a front end to probably one of the best cloud platforms in the world.